Looking for a reliable USB-C cable that keeps your car tidy while charging your devices fast? The LISEN Coiled USB-C cable delivers 60W power delivery, charging your iPhone 17 Pro Max from 20% to 80% in just 30 minutes. It's designed for safe, stable fast charging, perfect for busy commutes and long drives with CarPlay or Android Auto. Forget about messy cables tangled around your gearshift or pedals. LISEN's unique telescopic spring design keeps the cable neat and compact, retracting to just 1 foot when not in use. This smart design fits easily inside your center console or glove box, giving you a clean, safe, and distraction-free driving experience every time. Need extra reach? The cable stretches up to 3.5 feet, offering a comfortable 2 to 3 feet of flexible length, ideal for using your phone on a dash mount or in the console. It's great for navigation, hands-free calls, or scanning QR codes without tugging or snagging. When you're done, it snaps back to a compact size, perfect for home, office, or travel. Built to last, this cable features 2026 armored silicone pro construction with a thick, durable design and a sturdy metal hub. Its eco-friendly silicone is soft yet tough, resisting dirt, spills, and extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. It stands up to everyday wear, whether it's stepping, kicking, or luggage rolling, ideal for family vehicles and rideshare drivers. The reinforced connectors lock in place with triple-layer protection, ensuring a rock-solid connection that won't drop on bumpy roads. With 480 megabits per second data transfer speed, your maps, music, and calls load quickly and stay uninterrupted. Unlike ordinary cables, LISEN's design keeps your CarPlay or Android Auto connection steady mile after mile. Compatibility is no issue here. The chubby USB-C cable works with all USB-C devices, including the latest iPhones, 17, 16, 15 series, Samsung Galaxy S26 and S25, Google Pixel, iPads, gaming consoles like Switch and Steam Deck, power banks, and more. It's truly a versatile cable for all your charging needs. Trusted by 1 in 10 U.S. drivers since 2013 and active in over 50 countries, LISEN brings you quality backed by 500-plus patents and a dedicated 24/7 customer care team. You get 2 cables in one pack, one for your car, one for home. If you want fast, durable, and tangle-free charging, this cable is worth a look. If that's you, try the LISEN Coiled USB-C cable when you're ready. It's the reliable, neat, and fast charging solution designed to keep your devices powered and your car clutter-free, making every drive smoother and safer.